Welcome to planetgoals.com. In the previous tutorial, we made two users and two profile pictures to their added a profile picture to their account. In this tutorial, what we'll do is list all those users in a page. For that, we will be using the views module. If you are using this module for the first time, what you need to do is download the module and enable it and follow the instructions properly. Click on the add button. You can select a name, say list users, and select the radio type as users. Click on the next button. Click on add display as page. Give a title to the page, say users. Save it. Give a path, say user list. Update it. Click on fields, say click on the plus field, the plus button on fields. You can select user in the drop down and click username and user picture. You can check the boxes for username and user picture and click on add. These fields will appear on the page. We'll remove the label as we don't require the label. This name would be linked to the user. We made it in this manner. If we check this link, it would be linked to the user. Now we'll remove the label for picture as well. Update it and we'll save it. Okay, so we have given the link as user list. So we'll type that list, user list, and it was, I believe, user list. Hold on. The name was user list, user underscore list. So we'll open it in some other browser. We'll oh boy. Okay, maybe we need to put a question mark. Okay, see, this is how your list would appear on the page. Now we had linked those names to their particular profiles, but it doesn't show that way. It will show up in the admin as admin has the rights, but it is not showing up to other users. If I click on user 2, I'll go to user 2 profile, but I cannot click here if I am logged in as user 1, or maybe if I'm logged in as user 2. That is because permissions are not given, so we'll give the permissions to access other people's profile. Go under user module and we can give access user profile to authenticated user. You see this authenticated user, we have given the access to profiles. Once I save it and check it again, I'll just refresh the page and you see the links will appear. Now I can go and check. I'm logged in as user 1. Now I'll see the profile of user 2. So this is how we've made. We will also link this page in the main menu later on For now, we will just format this page a little so that it would look a little better. To format this page, we will go and click on style, which is unformatted. We will give it a grid format or a table format. We'll give it a table format and have a look how it looks. Let's see how it looks. This is how the table format is. It looks nice though. It has the name and the picture. I'll just refresh this page and have a look at another browser. Okay, once we keep adding users, we can the users will get added on the page. We can add a search box if we expose the filter. Okay, we'll do that in the next tutorial. I believe we've got a few things to learn in this tutorial. We've made a user list. We've created a user list and we'll link it to the main menu now, and that is how we can access other users. I mean to say, we can look at the users in the site. Okay, thank you.